I don't think anybody down below knew how bad it was up above. The entire front yard was on fire. The front of the house was on fire. Flames started shooting out from all around, and then the storage room ceiling collapsed and the main beam to the house came through it. It was like not being next to a campfire. It was like being involved in a meteor shower. And they're like, nobody can get to you. I said, that's nice for you to say, but I'm gonna die if somebody doesn't get up here. My responsibility to take care of her, and I didn't live up to my responsibility. It was my job to protect them. She was the sweetest dog.